Hello everyone, and welcome to our review of the beautiful Avrsol Kids Bed Canopy. This dreamy tent creates a magical fairy tale atmosphere in any child's nursery or bedroom. The double-layer design features breathable mesh and soft polyester fabric for a perfect shading effect. It offers a cozy private space for your little ones to read or sleep soundly. You can easily install this canopy using the included sticky hook without needing any tools. It is also simple to disassemble and clean whenever you need to refresh the room. This versatile decoration is perfect for playrooms or special celebrations like birthdays and holidays. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.